What's up, guys? I have another video here. I haven't posted in like a month or something. I just been busy. But yeah, I got some good news. I got the fucking title for my Corolla. It was a pain in the ass because the car, what the previous owner did is I think it didn't have no title, so he put a Vermont registration on it. And the Vermont loophole actually works, guys. That's pretty simple. Oh, I didn't do it. He had it under his name, and I just bought the car from him. But I'll put his video, or actually I'll put his YouTube channel in the description below. He shows you how to actually register your car in Vermont if you have no title. And yeah, all you gotta do, like by law in Texas, like they have to give you a title no matter what. Because in Vermont, any car that's older than 15 years, they give you a registration. But it's still like, it's like a title registration, but like the title's exempt, so they don't give you a title. So they just give you a registration. So what that does is, it's proof, well, to other states, but in Texas, it's proof to them that saying, oh, we could accept it as a title, and they'll give you a Texas title, even though it's just a registration. So a lot of people have been doing that. Like I said, it's a Vermont loophole, it works. I tried doing it on my other Corolla. The only part was I didn't finish doing the title process. I just sold the car as is. But yeah, in a little bit I'm gonna show you what I've done to the car. I'll even show you like the paperwork. I'm not gonna show you like the information I got, but this sticker, registration sticker. I'll show you proof too about my plates, but I'm just gonna blur out the plates because I don't know. A lot of people do that like just to cover up so they won't, I don't know, get your information or something. I'm not gonna show the information, but yeah, I could tell you that I got the title, like it's gonna come in the mail. I got the receipt right here, title, application receipt, right? And I fucking paid for it. It was like $130. Let me see. I have the receipt right here. $136.31. Well, I had a big problem. I went twice. I mean, actually not twice. 3 times to the DMV. The first one was, it acts like it's like a DMV, but not really. It just works on the weekends for title registrations and title transfers. I went there in the morning, and the lady didn't believe me that Vermont does not give out title. Like her supervisor, manager, whatever, told me like, yeah, we're not gonna give you a title because, how do you call it? Because she was saying like, yeah, Vermont gives only titles. This doesn't work. I'm like, what the fuck? So I went to a fucking 2 days later. I went to another DMV on a Monday, and because they don't work on the weekend, so I went on I think it was the Dallas County tax office or something, and I went in there, and how do you call it? Yeah, the guy didn't believe me too. He was like, we can't do this if we have no title. I'm like, I'm telling you, sir, Vermont does not give out titles for cars older than 15 years or older. And the guy said, okay, I'm gonna go talk to the manager or supervisor, whatever he said. And again, I waited for like 20 minutes, or actually 30 minutes. That took me a while. I was like, damn, dude, what's taking so long? Is it that like bad? There we go. He finally believed me, and he pulled out the paper. Well, I don't have the paper with me. It's in my car, but it's stating that only 15 years or newer. Like that paper said, only newer gets titles. So basically, he has like a book full of like laws and like rules or whatever about vehicle registration and title transfers, and he put it out, gave me a copy of it, and he was doing the title work, and he couldn't find the weight of the car. The weight of the 1986 Corolla in their in their computer. Like, it was weird. Like, I told him, dude, it's like, just put like the way I put on the fucking application, right? He said, no, sir, I gotta get a legitimate source saying that this car weighs this much. I was like, are you kidding me? So he couldn't find it, and then at the end of the day, he was like, sir, you're gonna have to go get a weighing ticket. I'm like, fuck. Like, this car doesn't move. And like I said, I got a safety inspection, right, by my friend. So like, you know that one guy that gets you the safety inspection even though the car doesn't work. So I just only did that so I could get the title. So I got the safety inspection, I put insurance on it. I got the 130-U Texas registration title paper, right? And now I have to go get a weighing ticket. So I was like, fuck it. So I go weigh the car at a CAT scale. It was dumb as hell because I had to, like, you know, that's for truckers. And he told me to still go and do it, and I just did it. I got the weighing ticket. And then I didn't do the weighing ticket over there back at home. I did it over here at Fort Hood. And the closest one was in Temple. So I went to Temple and I did it. And then yesterday we had a military ball. It was like a party. We drank and whatever. So yeah, I came that the next morning, which is today. I went I got online, and bam! I literally got she gave me the paperwork, and it was cool. So the lady was really nice, and they gave me a title. It's gonna come in the mail in 3 to 6 weeks, and yeah, I put the plates on the car already. Well, I came back here and chilled, ate breakfast, but I bought some other stuff there. I'll show you in another video that's gonna pop up. But yeah, then again, guys, I bought some books, manuals. I got this electric wiring diagram. I thought it was pretty useful. Like, it has all this shit that you could get them from Google, right? But I wanted one for myself. Like, this shit has a lot. And plus, if I ever want to do a 4AG swap or GTS swap, I can just go back to this and look where the wires are at. Because I'm sure there's YouTube videos about it. But yeah, this tells you all the fucking diagrams. This should help a lot. And then 3 months ago, whenever I was in Poland, I was ordering a bunch of stuff in the mail. One of the stuff I got was this book. It was a repair manual. This is pretty rare. I got this really cheap on eBay. Now they're selling these for like $100. I'm like, I don't know what to deal with these. Like, it's weird. But yeah, get yourself one of these. These help you with the freaking car. They tell you the ins and outs of it. I know you don't have to get the exact year of your car, or it depends. I already got it because they're basically the same. Like, there's a Zenki and the Koki. And my other one was a Zenki and this one's a Koki. But this one, it still helps a lot. Like, basically the same thing. I don't know if there's any difference between Zenki and Koki. I think it's just how they look and styles they had. Like the fender turn signals or something, or the tail lights. That's pretty much they change, and then the inside too, some parts of it. But the engine and the chassis is still the same. It's just different looks. But yeah, get yourself one of these. These are really helpful. But yeah, I'm gonna go to there's really nothing much. Right now I'm gonna show you the car. I put a new starter. Put a new, I got this new wiring harness that connects with the engine harness that's supposed to like turn on your car. Like turns the starter on. And yeah, I still got a lot of work to do. But yeah, right now I'm gonna show you the video. I haven't been doing much, guys. I just been working. I open the hood. I'm gonna show you the new. Well, I bought this new prop rod. Doesn't go with the car, but it works. I was tired of holding that thing with some random ass fence pipe or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna open the hood. I'll show you what I did. I haven't done a video in a while. And I'll just close it. Oh yeah, fuck. There you go. Alright guys, I haven't done much since the last time I posted a video, but I did buy some stuff. Hold on, let me put this fucking... Alright, there you go. Hell yeah, got a fucking prop rod. Alright. So I bought this new harness that connects to the starter and to the engine harness. Pay like, I don't know, like 40 bucks. I don't know if people don't want to. I was asking on Facebook groups, but they keep on sending me like torn up ones that won't even start the car. So I just got that one, and I finally added the new starter. The only thing I'm missing is a fresh battery. I think I've just got to go get it tested, and then I have the other thing in my car, my truck. On the positive, and it's got torn up. I gotta go replace the fucking terminal. Like I gotta cut this one and then get it crimped. And then I have a new radiator in the back. It's in there. It's in the box. I haven't taken it out yet. And after that, I know I'm probably gonna order a new coolant box, or reservoir, I mean. This one's cracked. I don't know if that'll make a big difference, but I guess a new fresh one will make it look good. And then yeah, put the radiator right here. Put the mounts. And those, I don't know what they call it, but there's like these rubber, like I guess like stoppers that keep it from the radiator from moving. But yeah, maybe change some fluids later on. Finally get this thing to start. But yeah, that's just the update I have. I'll post later when I get this car running. It takes a while because being in the Army, I don't know, you never know when you're gonna get out of work. You know, sometimes I get out of work tired. I just go back to my room and, you know, watch TV or sleep. But yeah guys, it's coming along.